guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing like a first impressions review on the new Lotus Clash of Colors range. I have a lot of makeup from the new Clash of Colors range and it looks so just interesting that I wanted to play with it and create like a colorful, just out of the box makeup look for me, because you guys always want some colorful makeup looks and I was like, okay, let's do it. As you can see, I have already done my base and my eyebrows, and if my under eyes look a little bit weird, please ignore that because I've just had a few stressful days and no sleep, so that is clearly reflecting in my under eye area, but I'll try to cover that up as much as I can. So let's talk about the products in this range. So we have 4 Lotus Eco Stay Butter Matte lip colors. I'll get to them when I'm doing my lips. And then we have 4 Butter Matte paint pots. Oh, so we have 4 colors in the butter matte paint pots. There's this orangey one called Orange Punch. We have this pink one called Magenta Freak. We have the blue one called Insane Blue, and this incredibly pinky one called Pink Craze. So I think I want to do something with the blue. I want to create a blue winged liner or something. And then of course we have the nail paints, which I'm wearing this one if you guys are wondering. This is the Lotus Eco Stay High Shine Nail Enamel in the shade Mint Mad, and this is what it looks like. You can see clearly. Look at that. It is so opaque, so pretty. I absolutely love it. It looks so stunning. This one is called Foolish Yellow, which I'm pretty obsessed with yellow at the moment, so I think this is the next one I'm gonna wear. And then we have this blue one which matches the paint pot pretty well. The blue one is called Insane Blue. This is what that looks like. Then we have the orange one called Orange Maniac, and this is called Coral Crack. So this is what Coral Crack looks like. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna bring you guys closer a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and open the blue one and create like fun blue liner. They're supposed to be super pigmented. Oh, this is what it looks like. Look at that. It's a paint pot. So I'm just gonna take a winged liner brush and let's just go ahead and apply this. Oh, when I put my brush in, it was quite creamy. So I want to create a nice wing with this. Oh, that was nice. Super pigmented. Wow, I really like that. And I love the tone of the blue. It's like a really nice cobalt blue. And by the way, they retail for 349 rupees only, which is such a great affordable price for what they are. Look at that. Doesn't that look fabulous? Oh my god, I love how that looks. And by the way, the makeup artist used these on me when I was at the event for this launch, and they set and they don't go anywhere. I noticed that at the launch, that when she used them on me, they set, and once they're set, they're not going anywhere. So they're waterproof, sweatproof. Okay, this was super easy to do. They are fully pigmented, fully opaque. There's no like pulling, and there isn't any patchiness. Wow, that does look pretty intense and amazing. I do want to make it a little thicker. What do you guys say? Should I make it thicker, or does this look perfect enough? Let's make it thicker. That is as thick as I want it to be. Now I want to do my lower lash line with this as well. Just create like a completely full blue look. Okay, I love how that looks. I'm just going to do my other eye and come back. Okay, so I'm back. I'm wearing false lashes, just really natural ones, and also just a little bit of white eyeliner in my lower waterline. I think this looks so amazing. It makes me want to wear blue eyeliner more often. I love how this looks, you guys. It looks so fun. Just a little bit more colorful but also super wearable. I would definitely wear this out. This blue winged eyeliner just looks so fabulous. Super easy to do, super smooth application. Now I'm gonna try out the lipsticks. Let's zoom you guys out a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so the first one I have is called Purple Clash. This is a purple lipstick. This is what the packaging looks like. So it opens like that, and here is your lipstick. And these are butter matte lipsticks. Here is the swatch of that. You can see what it looks like. So let's see what this one looks like. Wow, that's super fun actually. And it's actually kind of like a wearable purple. It's not like a shocking purple. The lipsticks also close with a satisfying click. And the formula, as you can see, is super matte, but it's a very comfortable buttery matte. Okay, now let's try out this shade. This one is called Silly Blue. Oh, this is pretty blue. Look at that. Here is the swatch of that. This is quite pigmented. So that is what it looks like on the lips. Definitely not an everyday wearable kind of lipstick, but it's a very shocking kind of lipstick. It creates that shock factor. I think it goes with this blue eyeliner, and I think this could be super fun for some very special costume looks. And it's a really nice matte formula, super pigmented. The lid has a transparent cap, so you can see what color of the lipstick it is. Now let's try out some wearable shades. This is called Orange Punch. Here is what that looks like, super neon-y orange. Here is the swatch. So here is what that looks like. I think it looks so stunning with the blue liner. I love how blue and orange look together. Plus this is a very wearable kind of orange. It's not a neon orange. It looks pretty neon in the tube, but on the lips it comes across as a very wearable kind of orange, which I think is great. I do have to say that I love the formula of these lipsticks. They're very comfortable. They're super matte and they feel soft and buttery. I love this formula. Plus you guys already know that I love bullet lipsticks. I'm a bullet lipstick girl. Give me all the new bullet lipsticks there are, and I love a matte soft bullet lipstick formula. The last one is called Pink Craze. That is what that looks like. And here is the swatch. Oh, I love how the pink looks with the blue as well. I love pink and blue together too. Which one do you think looks better, the orange one or the pink one? Leave that in the comments down below, because I definitely want to wear this look out. Now I want to apply some color on my cheeks, and I think I'm going to go to the Pink Craze paint pot. It looks like that, super neon-y pink, and I think I'm just going to take it on my finger just a little bit and tap it on my hands just to warm up the color a little bit. Take my blush brush and I am going to apply it like that, because these are meant, the paint pots are meant to be used in different ways. You can use them on your lips, you can use them on your eyes, you can use them on your cheeks. They're waterproof, they're sweat proof. So, and if you want your blush to last super long and not go anywhere, definitely try wearing this paint pot as a blush, because this is not going to go anywhere. Once it sets, it really does not go anywhere. And I know that because I wore this at the event and it did not go anywhere. And I love how it's looking as a blush. Do you see that beautiful pinky flush? So don't be scared. You can use these super pigmented products and you can just make them work. I do want to apply a little bit more because I've been loving applying a little bit more blush lately. I think it looks so just girly and fun. Yeah, I definitely love this pinky blush. It is super beautiful. I love this look. It is so fun and so colorful. I think I'm just gonna take a little bit of this paint pot on my finger and just spread it out on my lips just to make it even more pigmented. Whoa, neon lip city. Okay, so that was it for my fun little colorful tutorial with the Lotus Clash of Colors products. I think they're amazing, especially for the price. This thing only costs 349 rupees, and you could use this on your eyes, on your lips, on your cheeks like you saw me doing today. The lipsticks have a really nice buttery soft matte finish. They're super easy and comfortable to wear, and I love these. If you could only get one product from this range, I highly recommend you check out the paint pots. And by the way, I love the nails as well. Do you see that? That looks super colorful. I have blue eyeliner, pink lipstick, green nails. I'm incredibly colorful today. So this is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna leave the links to purchase these products in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful and learned something new. Don't forget to check out my Instagram for more pictures, Insta stories, behind the scenes, all of that fun stuff. And I hope you've subscribed to my channel already. If not, please click the little red subscribe button down there. You can also click the bell next to the subscribe button so you're notified whenever I have a new video up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Bye bye.